Want to create a sick custom football helmet design like this in Canva? I'm gonna show you the easiest way to do this without using any single effect tool. This is 100% Canva magic. Let's go. Open your Canva and choose your project size. I choose Instagram post size here. And then upload your football helmet to your page. I will use this one. And then I will remove the background. Okay, I will increase the size. Now add a text like football team name or the player name. And for the example, I will type football. Change the font to a tall font like Antonio. I will choose the bold one and then rotate to become a vertical. Rotate 90 degrees, increase the size and place it here. Now change the background color. I will change it to the color of this part of the logo. Okay. And then go to element and type here grid. Enter. On the graphic, click see all. Scroll down, I will use this one. Bleach half tone and then increase the size and place it here. Change the color. Use the color picker, change to this red. And then send to back and duplicate. Place it here. And then send to back. Change the color. Use the color picker to here. I will change the font color, the text color to white. And then add another glitch element. I will use this one, halftone abstract. I will increase the size and place it here. And then I will change the color, click here, to this color. So now you have it. See you next video and have fun with Canva.